Hey guys, what's up? I'm Kadu, and today I'm going to show you how to use henna to cover grey hairs in your beard. I'll bring you a little closer so you can see it better. As you can see, there are a few grey hairs here, and the goal is to make them dark again, but in a natural way, of course. For this, I'm using the Indalo henna kit. I chose the dark brown shade, but you can pick the color that works best for you on their official website. Inside the box, you'll find the henna powder we're going to use. On the back of the package, there's a step-by-step guide explaining exactly how to apply it. All you need is a plastic bowl, a wide brush, and gloves. That's it. Super simple and practical. Now let me show you how to prepare the product. Just add the henna powder, some warm water, and mix it well until everything is fully dissolved. Once the mixture is ready, just apply it evenly to your beard. After applying, let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then just rinse it off and finish however you like. And here's the final result. A beard without grey hairs again, and it even looks fuller. I hope you liked it. The link to the Indalo store is in the video description. See you, bye.